Hello guys, today you're welcome once again to DY Updates. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. You're welcome. Please kindly do well to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to drop a nice comment after watching the video. So guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to get free, how to buy data cheap at a very cheap rate. So if you don't know how to buy data on a very cheap rate, so today I'll be showing you guys how to one of the ways I used to get my data at a very cheap rate. So without saying much guys, let's dive right into the video. So first of all you have to do is to head on to your Chrome browser, then search for then let's search on RT. You search for AMT as AMT so this is it here. So this is the website we are going to be using to be getting to buy our data at a very cheap rate. So this is what I use. So first of all, you have to create an account for those of you that do not have an account. You have to create an account. So I will drop you the link in the comment section. All you have to do is to click on the link, or I'll be dropping it in the description of this video. So then all you have to do is to input your email right here. All you have to do is to input your email. So when you input your email, you click on next. So first let me add up my email. Then I click on continue. So they are going to send an OTP code to your email. So you go head on to your Gmail and get the code and input it right there. All you have to do is to click on continue. Head on to my Gmail. So this is my Gmail right here. All I have to do is to click on all. Then I refresh. So here's the code. All I have to do is to copy the code, paste it, then click on continue. So then you have to put your number, then you click on continue. So for this purpose of this video, I'm just input a random number. So I'm just going to input a random number. Then click on continue. Then you have to input your first name, input your last name and your username. So then click on continue. So let me input a random name. Input good. It's just a random account. I'm not going to create it because all the details here both that are not actually correct. So click on continue. Then you have to input your password. Repeat your same password again. Then you click on continue. Then you have click on login. Then so let me log into my account right now. Go into my account. I have to input my email address here or my username. So I was saying this is how you have to input your username or your email, any one of them. Then you input your password right here. Then you click on login. So for the security of this video, I will be pausing it and pausing the video. Let me input my details and click on continue for security reasons. So guys, I finally logged into my account. So this is my account. You can see my balance is 56 naira. You can see my balance is 56 naira. So these are my last transactions. So these are my last transactions. So if I just click on, so let me click on this three icon right here, then click on transaction histories. So these are all my transactions that I've made doing in this app. So click on next. There are more transactions here. Click on next. There are more transactions here. Click on next. So you can see this is the app that I've been using since to be buying my data and do all of those stuff. I can also buy data on this app, buy on this website, buy data. They also have apps. So you can also go on Play Store and search on the app. They are also on Play Store. So if it's a ticket is like you can just let me search on it on Play Store. This is my Play Store. So let's search on to click on it. So this is the app. So I see to get wallet. So these are the apps. So you can just install it if you like to use the app. But if you like to use the website, you are also free to use it. So all I have to do next is to let me head on to my website and go through it here. So you can see what will you like to do. So you can see this is what they're asking. So you have to like you can buy the airtime to cash. So you can also swap your airtime to cash. Then you can top up your data, airtime top up, pay bills like TV subscription. And you can also make money by referral. So when you share a referral link to the friends that you want to like invite to the app, you can also make commission when they use your link to register. So that's that is. So let me show you guys how to deposit on to get a website. So this is how to deposit. You click on add funds. Then you click on ATM card. Then you click on enter the amount. Let me say I want to add like 200 naira now. Example. Click on continue. So you can use your card, that is your debit card to deposit. You just input your number, input your everything, your details, then you are good to go. Then click on pay. But for me, I use bank transfer. So you can click on change. Then click on bank transfer. They say compliance status failure. Please contact support. So let me refresh it. Let me refresh it again. Mm, Let me click on USD. They click on select. So you can pay through USD. So you just have to select the bank you want to use. So you can let me say one man. You click on pay. So it's showing the same thing. Say please contact support. So let me go back. But for me, I use a bank transfer to deposit. So let me click on pay. So this is showing this error. So let me cancel it. I go back. Let's see. So let me click here and click on phone wallet. So guys, I try to refresh the website to see if there is a actually that is to try to refresh it if it was the amount I put that was showing that error. So I refreshed it and it's still showing the same thing. So for those of you that know how to pay through card, you can stick to card. You can stick. So for those of you that know how to pay through card, you can use card for your payment. But for me, I use bank transfer. So I think they are doing a maintenance. So that's why those these things actually showing that error. So they should also contact customer. Okay. So I think it's a maintenance. They are doing maintenance. That's why. So you just have to wait for like 3 hours, 4 hours, then you try it again. So this is also let's go back to our main page. So you can also withdraw your money. So for those of you that are thinking that bank transfer option is not allowed, so you can see it's a bank transfer option. These are the bank transfer option for withdrawal, not for deposit. So if you want to, maybe you have like money here that you earn through your referral, or you want to withdraw anything, blah blah blah. So these are the place of withdrawal. You just need to select your bank, input your account number, the amount, then you withdraw. So that's how it is. So the rest are. So let's go back to the dashboard. So guys, I think that is all for today. So for those of you that struggling to get a airtime data for cheap rates, so this is the best way for you. So let me check out the data top up. So click on data top up. So let's click on MTN. So for example, as I click on MTN, let me select. So you can see the first one says 5 mega 500 MB for 1 day, 24 hours, 339 naira. So this one is a 2 gig TikTok, only 7 days, 380. So this one is 700 MB. So you can see, you can just go through all of those stuff. So anyone that best suits you. You can see these are all the plans here. These are all the plans. So let's check on Airtel. For those of you that are using Airtel, click on it. So you can just go through all. So you can just go through all. These are all the plans. You can see. First one is a SME, 75 megabytes upload for 1 day, 700. That is a 75 naira. That is 150 MB for SME for 18 naira 1 day. So guys, this is all the plans. You can go through anyone you want. So for those of you that are using this thing, for me, I've not come across this thing before. I think so that's something. No, actually, is I think is a Nine Mobile, something like that. Yes, Nine Mobile. It's Nine Mobile. It's Nine Mobile. For those of you using my Nine Mobile, so these are also the plans for Nine Mobile. You just select your best choice and go with it. So for Glow, the same thing. So the plans. So the plans for Glow. So I think that is all for today. So guys, if you get any question you want to ask, you don't understand about this website, you can just comment it down below the comment section. I'll do it to reply you and make another video on your problem and try to make it more understanding and clear to you. So you can see. So you can just guys, you can just go through all. That is all for today, guys. That's all for today. So tell me what video you want me to make for you guys, so guys I can do it to make more videos. So guys, you can know I don't actually have time this period, so that's why I'm trying my best to like bring out something and post on this my YouTube channel. So guys, since I got monetized, thank you all for your support, and for those of you that are say subscribers, all my subscribers, thank you all for trying to for your support for making me achieve it. So thank you all. I really appreciate it. So that's all for today. So if you are coming across the channel for the first time, please kindly remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I will be showing you guys how to. I'll be showing you guys on my next video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out.